The highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 series is finally on the horizon, and the excitement surrounding it is palpable. Samsung has been teasing us with tantalizing glimpses of what's to come, and the reveal is almost here. The reservation page is live, offering up to $1,250 in savings, $50 in Samsung credit, and even a chance to win $5,000 in Samsung credit. So if you're thinking about getting your hands on one of these devices, this is an offer you don't want to miss. Experience the next evolution of Galaxy AI. Unlock a $50 Samsung credit, save up to $1,250, and enter to win $5,000 in Samsung credit. Reserve now by clicking the link in the description, filling out the details, and hitting reserve now. Don't miss this limited time offer. With the official launch scheduled for January 22, all eyes are on the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and S25 Slim. What makes the Galaxy S25 series so special? For one, the design is revolutionary. Leaks suggest that Samsung has gone all out, creating one of the thinnest bezel smartphones we've ever seen, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra being the true star of the show. The sleek design is complemented by a quad-camera setup, including a 200MP main sensor, 50MP ultra-wide sensor, and two powerful zoom lenses. This camera system promises to push the limits of smartphone photography, making it the perfect companion for capturing stunning shots. Add to that the introduction of the G2 wireless charging standard, and you have a phone that's as cutting edge on the inside as it is on the outside. It's not just about design and camera though. This device will also be powered by Samsung's impressive Galaxy AI, with features that could put even Apple's Siri to shame. Bixby, Samsung's digital assistant, is getting a major upgrade with the ability to handle more complex commands and contextual conversations. It's shaping up to be a digital assistant like no other, and we'll see it fully unleashed with the Galaxy S25. But there's more to the Galaxy S25 series than just the ultra-thin bezels and groundbreaking AI features. The performance of this device is expected to be unparalleled, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra boasting the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Built on a 3-in process, this chipset offers next-level performance and efficiency, paired with a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED display that will provide an immersive viewing experience. With a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, your interactions with the S25 will feel buttery smooth, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or scrolling through your feed. The S25 Ultra will also feature impressive camera capabilities, including 8K video recording and 4K at 120, ensuring that whatever content you create, it'll be of the highest quality. Samsung is also doubling down on battery life, packing a 5,000 mAh battery into the S25 Ultra, supported by 45 newly wired charging. Whether you're running errands, traveling, or working, you won't have to worry about running out of juice. And with the introduction of the G2 wireless charging standard, the convenience factor goes through the roof. This new standard offers faster wireless charging speeds and is bound to change the way you charge your devices. But if you're after something a little slimmer without compromising on performance, the Galaxy S25 Slim is also on the way. This device is not just about looking sleek, it's packing some serious tech under the hood. The standout feature of the S25 Slim is its ALOP telephoto zoom lens, a game changer for smartphone photography. This innovative lens design allows for better zoom and lower light performance without increasing the size of the phone. The slim profile of the device means that Samsung can deliver top-notch camera technology without sacrificing style. If you've been looking for a slim, lightweight device that doesn't skimp on performance, the S25 Slim may just be the phone you've been waiting for. As we eagerly await the official unveiling, there's a lot to look forward to with the Galaxy S25 series. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a performance junkie, or simply looking for a device that can handle everything you throw at it, the S25 series promises to deliver. Let me know your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 series in the comments. What feature are you most excited about? If you're wondering what sets this series apart, let's talk about the big comparison with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While both devices offer exceptional performance and eye-catching designs, they each cater to different types of users. The iPhone 16 Pro Max stays true to Apple's signature design with its sleek, minimalistic look. Meanwhile, Samsung continues to push boundaries with its more experimental and tech-forward design, making the S25 Ultra a standout contender for those who want something more than just a smartphone. From the larger battery, superior wireless charging speeds, and the unique inclusion of the S Pen, Samsung is giving users a far more customizable and feature-rich experience. As we move toward the launch of the S25, it's clear that Samsung is aiming for nothing less than perfection. From the AI-powered Bixby upgrade to the revolutionary camera tech and the design overhaul, this phone is poised to redefine what we can expect from a flagship smartphone. Whether you're all about the camera, the performance, or the sleek design, there's something for everyone in the Galaxy S25 lineup. So make sure you stay tuned as we dive deeper into the features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates.